When you got your first break in Telugu industry, how you got it? You never
So
thought.
when no, I never tried anything hard.
Hmm.
It just happened, and
Hmm.
I did, and I want to shift to my label, and it did.
How it was like.
Yeah, everything was good, and there is a lots of hard work involved
But
in it.
when you remember when you got your first offer, how you get into that Telugu movies?
Yeah, it's all I told you. It's an accident.
Everything
Suddenly,
is accident. Okay.
suddenly.
Accidentally, whom you met? What
Yeah.
was that story?
So everything, like, I never planned anything.
Ah.
It just happened.
Hmm.
After my college, I suddenly, on the last day, I got an opportunity to work. So in the film, so it just happened, and I was doing okay. After doing 20 films, I feel okay. This is little heavy.
But I remember one of your interview, we were saying auto rickshaw.
Auto, yes. In
So-
auto, I got an
Yes,
opportunity.
so that is something very interesting. You can
Yeah.
get opportunity anywhere.
No,
So in
yeah.
auto rickshaw, you met your first movie.
Yes,
That is
yes.
very interesting. I would
Very
like to know.
interesting. Yeah, when I'm going to a sharing auto.
Ha,
that too.
you went to the sharing auto.
So
He was a director, I think. Like,
yeah, it's Meher Ramesh.
okay.
So he was also there in the auto.
So you
he
both are
asked me,
sharing the
yeah.
auto, okay?
So he asked me, like, what are you doing
Hmm.
and what is this stuff? So I said, I'm just finished my designing. Then you want to work with, like, as assistant director in our movie.
Hmm.
I said, jumped. Okay. Directly
Okay.
from college to office.
Okay.
So that's how
What was your first movie?
it's Bobby as assistant designer.
Okay. I mean, so I can say that you got your first opportunity in Telugu movies by sharing auto. That's
Exactly.
interesting.
So yeah, that's what I
Hmm.
was saying. You don't need to plan everything.
Yes.
It'll automatically happen.
Hmm.
If you're planning a business, then
Hmm.
you plan properly and start. That's okay.
Hmm.
But you don't need to plan your life.
Yes, okay.
So life will take you automatically, the
to-
turns and twists,
Go with
the
the flow.
ups and downs. Everything will
But
automatically happen.
once you get this opportunity of Bobby, it was the first exposure for you.
Yep.
How you been like interacting with the stars? Stars were comfortable knowing, okay, now she's our fashion designer. How they used to take it? Now it's a trend. Okay,
Yeah.
every star.
Then it was like
Yeah.
no designers as such at
Hmm.
that time. Yeah, but he's a very calm, composed person. He
In
never
Bobby, who
troubled
were
me.
the actors?
Mahesh
Like
Babu.
Mahesh
Mahesh
Babu,
Babu and
So
Aarti
he's your
Agarwal.
first star.
Yes.
Okay. And you are the first fashion designer also from Hyderabad.
Right,
So
yeah,
he must be, we can say you are the first fashion designer from Mahesh Babu.
probably. Yes, yes.
But he never wear anything. Like
At
in
that
the sense,
time,
simple,
he was
Yeah.
he was like not
anything
a
means
fashion.
he's not wearing some trendy clothes, like
Yeah.
simple pant, shirt, no rings or
No,
accessories.
nothing. He is a very simple person.
Hmm.
If you give out of the box also, he never accepts.
Oh,
I think after he got married to Namrata only, he changed a lot.
oh.
If you give him little fashionable clothes also, he would not accept
So it was
at
tough
all.
time for you.
Yeah, but as a person is very good.
Ah.
So in that way it is not, but
Hmm.
okay. Yeah, anyway we take the character into the movie, right?
Okay.
So that's not a big issue. But Aarti was a very fancy girl
Hmm.
and she used to
So to heroines you were comfortable. You find heroes more comfortable or heroines?
definitely not heroines.
Okay.
So
But heroines wants to look more better, like they are more fussy
no,
about.
actually, yeah, they were very conscious people
Okay.
than men. So it's very tough to manage them.
Hmm.
So that's the reason I more worked with men only.
So I think all big stars who are like now pan India, they are known like Junior
Yeah.
NTR, Allu Arjun. You
No,
must have
no,
their.
I never worked with him junior. I worked
Allu
with
Arjun.
no. I
No.
worked with Ravi Teja and Mahesh Babu and Jagpati Babu and Balakrishna Garu.
Okay. About
Yeah.
Balakrishna sir, we want to know. He's still at this age. He keeps experimenting. Have you seen his
yeah,
style?
yeah,
So
yeah.
he was that stylish also when you met
He's
him
not
first time.
stylish, but yeah, he's not complicated also. He's nice. With,
Okay.
at least with female designers is
Hmm.
he's kind of comfortable. Whatever we says sometimes he'll accept, sometimes not, but okay, yeah, it is okay.
But
about
being a
that.
fashion designer is a challenge to actually, design separate clothes or according to the theme, of the shots, especially for the actors.
That's you anyway. It is your passion. You
Hmm.
work.
Hmm.
That's not a big deal.
Hmm.
It is the tough thing is to give the time.
Okay.
The cinema will take your whole
Yeah.
lifetime.
Hmm.
So that is the toughest thing. That's the reason I stopped.
So what is your
Working for
toughest
films.
time? Toughest actor to handle?
I think like any women is tough.
Actor.
Any actresses. Otherwise, male like heroes are never be a problem.
Okay.
But any female will give you
Give you
lots of
tough
stress.
time.
Stress.
So I'll just have 5 actors. I just want, if you what actually looks good on them, you can just advise them.
Yeah.
Mahesh Babu, if something different you think, if he experiment, it will suits on him.
He's a very classy looking guy.
Hmm.
So whatever you give him,
Hmm.
he looks good on, definitely.
Hmm.
The thing is, he should like it and wear it, then he can
Then
carry.
nothing other we
Yeah,
can
because he
experiment
have a
on
good
him.
body, skin tone,
Kurta
and features.
pajama or something
Everything
trending
looks
clothes.
good on him, definitely.
So nothing a particular outfit you would like to advise him. He should go for
Oh,
it.
you asking
Yeah,
me
particular
advice.
outfit from your side. If he wears,
These days, though, I can't because he's good.
yeah.
At my times, I would give 100 suggestions to him.
Okay.
But now he's good, actually.
So no particular outfit you would like to advise him.
He looks good in suits.
Suits, yeah.
So whenever, like in few
Yeah,
songs, I've seen
gentleman look
the
comes.
grey suit he
Yeah.
was wearing. He was,
Designer, in
Yeah.
your eyes, you would like to see this guy wearing this. Like, I want to know in your angle, your perception level.
Allu Arjun can carry anything, actually. You don't
Okay.
he don't need an advice.
Okay.
For sure, he don't need an advice.
But you have any thing, okay, this outfit, I should give him and he should wear it.
I can't say about Allu Arjun, but I can say NTR,
Hmm.
he should improve definitely his fashion skills.
Okay.
Definitely.
So which outfit you advise him?
Not any outfit. Movie is a
Traditional
different
or
thing.
Indo-Western?
No. Movie is a different thing.
Yeah,
You
individual.
have to wear according to the character.
Yeah.
But for songs and all, they generally experiment.
Hmm.
But I've never seen NTR wearing any good clothes or fashionable clothes.
Really?
So yeah,
Okay.
I never.
Now he's a
seen-
pan India.
yeah, of course. That
Hmm.
that doesn't mean that he's a fashion icon,
Hmm.
but he can improve definitely his fashion.
So what outfit
Step.
you want to give him?
Anything is which is very, like, as I told you, very stylish suits,
Mhm.
or he can wear for the
Okay.
songs, and he can wear anything which is
And
very
we have seen
stylish.
Ram Charan. He's
And he
more
can
of the
also
suit-
try with the good hairstyles also.
Okay.
He'll be stick to one particular hairstyle. He's
Style.
not experimenting with the hair
Yeah.
also. So yeah.
Ram Charan, we have seen more of wearing suits
Yeah.
in the parties.
Yeah.
So how you define his
he dresses
lifestyle statement?
He dresses well.
Yeah.
Undoubtedly he dresses well.
So anything you have imagination, okay, if this outfit given to him, it would works for him. If he experiment, advice, something.
Not advice. Not, we can't give advice for everyone.
Yeah, okay.
So
But if he wears something that will look good, something you can say.
I think he's not wearing a proper traditional clothes in any movie, I guess.
Okay.
So he can try good
That.
ethnic wear.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Rana.
Rana is again a stylish guy.
Hmm.
You know, this generation of the actors are good with their
Styling.
sense,
Hmm.
but the little behind it. Example, Balakrishna Garu is not a very style conscious
But he always
person.
keep himself like a stylish man. He's styling
No,
it out
he's
with his
not
body
a-
language.
He's not a stylish man at all. He need a strong fashion advice
Huh.
in everything.
Huh.
He don't he wears, but not really up to the mark. No,
Okay.
I have never seen him wearing a very stylish clothes.
Okay, so he should
No.
do that.
Yeah, everyone, whoever working
Huh.
with him,
Hmm.
they should. But yeah.
Yeah, okay, Rana. Now Prabhas.
Prabhas need a styling, definitely.
He needs it. So you can give some tips
Okay.
like with, yeah,
But with his physique and all, he looks good in every costume.
yeah.
But he
We
can
have seen him
experiment
on
more.
t-shirts and
Um,
trousers he's wearing most of
But
the time,
he can
comfortable. ones.
experiment more.
Okay.
Yeah, he's definitely not exploring the full
Mm-hmm.
but he can experiment.
But
more.
whom you actually say from Bollywood, I mean, you like the way he style, he carry out. Whom you will,
In Bollywood,
yeah,
mm,
according to you.
I don't. I'm not even remember the actors.
Actor.
The previous generations, though, we should talk about the Telugu one,
Yeah,
the Jagapati Babu.
that you like. Okay.
I just love whatever he wears.
Okay, and the
Even
carry.
he wear, Gochi also, he looks good.
Okay. So
Because that means he carries very well in every outfit.
okay.
And the other generation, the fashionable, the previous generation, the Jackie Shroff is a very stylish
Yeah,
guy.
he's
I
cute.
worked with him.
Hmm.
And then now, who wears a good clothes? I think everybody is okay. Yeah,
Now it's very important to
Yeah.
be.
because the
Hmm.
previous generation has no, we don't have a much designers, and they are not much
Into
fashion
this
conscious.
fashion.
Also, they were
Hmm.
only into subject the
Hmm.
thing. But now every hero is very fashion conscious.
Hmm.
And they are wearing good clothes. Even the web series you see, they are perfect.
Hmm.
Even the outside you see the party pictures,
Hmm.
they are perfect. Everybody is
But which
fashion
of the star
conscious.
you enjoyed working? You had a blast.
I had a blast when I worked with Jackie Shroff.
Okay.
And
Any memories you would love to share?
yeah, he's a very fun-loving person
Hmm.
and very loving nature he is.
Hmm.
And very
Hmm.
style.
मेरे को तो उनका
very
स्टाइल भी
stylish
बहुत
guy.
अच्छा लगता है
Yeah,
बेडू
yeah. So once I went to receive in an airport
हाँ.
Jackie Shroff. At the same time, as Mahesh Babu also is coming, the same flight.
Hmm.
The both are like in a little distance they are
Hmm.
coming. The Mahesh Babu is coming and is going, nobody is watching him because he's very calm and very normally dressed.
Yeah.
And when the Jackie Shroff entered, come on, the whole airport was looking at him. He's so stylish. I was like,
What he
oh,
was
wow.
wearing? You remember?
I remember.
Good.
It's a bandhani shirt,
Oh.
opening almost up to here. He's exposing everything.
हाँ.
And a one cotton simple bag
हाँ.
and some nice goggles.
Mhm.
And everybody and anybody from the
He
child
played
to
very well with his accessories.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So everybody is like turning their heads to
Hmm.
Jackie Shroff. And nobody even noticed that Mahesh Babu just went.
More.
So he's that
that's
stylish.
stylish.
The whole film, and I learned so much from him. So whenever he generally casually walks also,
Hmm.
he will, properly, he'll have, he wears that blazer on his hand.
Yeah.
For
Stylish.
a 10 steps also, he thinks that it is a ramp.
Yes.
So he walks very properly with all proper accessories, proper dress. So
I know.
he's every minute fashion conscious guy.
So you are impressed by his style.
Yeah, very much.
That's great.